All right, we got to close this out here. I think we've been beating this horse pretty hard. Earl, give me the top 2 or 3 things you want people to take away from this conversation in the last bit. What would you say?
Well, I can even get down to my most important idea is that backlog refinement's primary purpose is to make sure work flows through your sprint, right?
Oh.
And you can do as much of it or as little of it that takes necessary to workflow. The other second thing is that you need to keep a small amount of work ready so you never starve the team. They might surprise you. They might just rocket right through the set of things they thought they'd do in the sprint because they were just having a grand day. You want to be able to shove more work in right away. So you need to have a stable of work, a runway. I think some people, I think Jenny likes the term runway a little bit, of a sprint, 2 sprints worth of stuff out there so they can keep going on that. And that's going to require some idea of what ready means to you. So you have to figure out whether you have a formal definition ready or you have just an understanding among the team. What does ready mean? And you can adjust that based upon how work is flowing through your team.
Perfect. Jenny, your turn.
I would say, please, 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 if you've got any issues in sprint planning or in your sprints being bumpy and feeling like they're not working very well, if you're not doing refinement, put scheduled refinement meetings on your calendar. The biggest problem I see in teams over and over and over again is they bring in work that's too big and not well enough understood. And if you can solve that problem through refinement, which I call the secret sauce of Scrum, then everything else gets easier and everybody kind of breathes a sigh of relief because we have now oiled the wheels of Scrum and all of a sudden the engine just purrs and hums.
Perfect. And I'll be the shameless self-promotion one.